What's up everyone? So you know what, I have been really waiting for this Realme P4X 5G, and we will look at its specifications, dimensity, performance. So we are unboxing it, testing the performance and giving you my final verdict. Let's not waste any time and let's get into the box. And here I'm just unboxing this 5G mobile phone. Make it real. Let's open this, and first of all I would like to check this box. And here we got this case. Okay, this is the back panel cover, and here is our manual guides. And here we got this our mobile phone, and under the box we got this 45-watt super VOOC adapter, and this is the cable wire. This is the pin ejector. So let's keep on the side and check for the mobile phone. Friends, this is our mobile phone, and if you look at the buttons of the mobile phone, on the downside you are going to get this SIM ejector, and this is the mic. Here is to insert your charge point, and this is speaker, and this side is the power button and volume up and down button. Okay, and on the upward you are going to get this mic and speaker. This is mini speaker, and here you will get this is the silver finish, and it's stunning of this back panel of Realme P4X. And here it can even resist the fingerprint on the flat edges. This is the fingerprint point. So alright friends, now let's talk about the display of Realme P4X. As you can see, we have a 6.72 inch full HD plus sunlight display. This is the sunlight display. You can increase the brightness. It's an LCD, not AMOLED, which is a common compromise at this price, but what it does is that it have an incredible 144 Hz refresh rate. This is the 144 Hz refresh rate, and it is smooth like a butter. Realme also claims its 100 nits peak brightness. It's an super important for using the phone outdoors. For my first impression is that it's look sharp and vibrant for an LCD panel display. And was the camera module on the front, you can see this is round, as you can see, and on the back the camera stand out. It's a nice designs update from the previous generation, and it's overall it's good looking sturdy device. Now for the engine room, the Realme P45X is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 7400 and Ultra chipset, 5G Ultra 5G chipset, coupled with up to 8 GB of RAM and UFS 5.3.1 GB of storage. And Realme is serious about performance. So here I run some benchmark on the Antutu score. Friends, the biggest highlight for me and maybe for many of you is the battery. It's a massive 7000 mAh Titan battery, one of the largest in its class, and in my day-to-day testing this phone easily lasted 2 full days of moderate use. This is a battery anxiety killer. When you do not need to charge it, the included 45-watt ultra charge is response fast, though I wish it was a little quicker given the battery size. We're talking about 0 to 50% in about 40 minutes, which is fine but not record breaking. A key feature here is the bypass charging, which sends power directly to the motherboard while gaming, preserving battery health and heat, reducing heat. And on the software side, it runs on the Realme UI 6.0 based on Android 15. It feature rich smooth, includes some new AI features like AI eraser. When I flip on over the camera optics, here we have the video, AI landscape, night, video, photo, portrait. There is more options: pro, hard race, pano, straight, flame, slow-mo, time lapse, exposure, long exposure, and dual view. Here is the dual view, and it mentioned on this mobile phone with the 50 megapixel AI main camera. The secondary sensor is mostly for depth, and the front has the 8 megapixel selfie shooter. So let's look at the sample of the daylight. Wait friends, I will show you the sample of my daylight. This is the sample of my daylight shots. This is the excellent, good detail, accurate colors, and plenty of dynamic range. And I have captured this image on the 1x, and here I have captured the image on the 2x, and this is the 3x. So as you can see, the difference of the 1x, 2x, and 3x. This is the 1x, this is 2x, and this is the 3x. The 50 megapixel sensor is performing well, and the about the portrait mode has decent edge. The detections, low light shots are usable. You lose some detail, which is typical for this segment. It can also record the 4K video, which is huge plus for content creators. The 8 megapixel camera is for video calls and quick shots, but don't expect flagship level quality. It's balanced camera system that gets the job done for most users. And this is the photo I have captured on the sunlight, and this is the image that I have captured on the micro shot, you can see. And I will like to try even the sound testing. So it's performing well. My final verdict on the Realme P4X 5G is that this phone is an absolute performance and battery monster. The Dimensity 7400 Ultra on the amazing 7000 mAh battery with the VC cooling and make this an light choice for gamers and power users who hate carrying a charger. The 144Hz display makes an incredibly smooth experiences, and the compromises, it's an LCD instead of AMOLED, and the camera, while solid, isn't its main selling point. If you want a phone that delivers on speed and endurance without breaking the bank, the Realme P4X 5G is due to beat for the starting price of 13,000, but you can get in low price. So guys, what do you think of this Realme P4X 5G? Let me know in the comments down below. And are you picking this one mobile phone? Or don't forget to like and subscribe my channel for more videos and deep reviews. And I will catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.